going to my playhouse tent. Whoa! What is this thing? It seems cool and playful. I'm going to bring it out. Hey guys, today I'm Ariel! And today I have this PlayDoh storage locking lid with a carry handle. Let's open it. Cardboard. Oh. So there's parts for the PlayDoh kit. Let's pull it. So here's the 2 feet, like shoes, and it has 2 molds at the bottom. Here's the mouth, the 2 hands, and there's 2 molds on it too. It's a flower and a ice cream. Now let's put the body parts on. There's the mouth, now the arms. Let's put it. Push it in. Oh, it moves. You can turn it around. Also the other side, here, and feet. So it can stand. Let's put it upside down. So, and also at the top, it has more molds. So, let's put it on. There you go. Yay! But I just wonder if there's anything else inside here. Let's see and open the lid. Oh my gosh! There's a lot of surprises! Let's see. Let's start with this one. Oh. Ooh, I wonder what this is. It's a Minnie Mouse. 5 hair bows. Let's open it. Here we go. Here it is. Let's see. Puppy in my pocket. Let's open it here. Ooh, oh, that's so cute. I'm going to find the name. Oh, I think it's named Joey. That's a cute name. Ooh, this is a Lip Pops Lollipops. And this is a Avengers Marvel. And this is Captain America. So I have to take off the plastic here. I wonder how it tastes. Okay, here you go. And this is the shield of Captain America. This is big.
What's the flavor?
Blue raspberry and strawberry. Next. Oh. Another puppy in my pocket. I hope this is not like the same as Joey. Oh, kind of the same. This is a cute one. Oh, this is Herman. And it's Greyhound. This is a Littlest PetShop blind bag. Whoa. This is kind of big. There's so much accessories. Oh, this is like a cute bowl. Here, and then you can put it. It looks like a type of bear. Light blue bear. Oh, yeah. It's cute. It's in like a chocolate bowl.
Oh, this looks so adorable.
Yeah. Next. Ooh, gumboils. Nope, not yet. So let's get it out. Let's open this. Go back. Yay. Let's put on the lid. Ah, here it goes. Ah, I got two. That's fine. Should I eat one? Not bad. Let's see. Oh, it's a pink one.
Oh, it's kind of like a lavender.
Oh, and also has a purple.
Mm-hmm.
Get it out. I kind of opened it. But good thing it didn't leak because it was a small slip. Almost out. This is harder. Oh, there you go. Now, a quick little snack. This time I'm not going to eat it. Here. Ooh, it's a Star Wars glow bracelet. Here you go. Oh, it didn't. Oh, it fell out. There's only 2 sticks. We had to break them up to glow in the dark mostly first. Ooh, crack, crack, crack. I like these because you get to crack them. I'm going to make a necklace. You can make necklaces too. Wait, I'm gonna put down. There we go.
That looks so cool.
Oh no! I couldn't really see it. I'm gonna do that and then I'll turn it. I don't know why I'm doing that, but it's just so I can see it lower down. I think that's good. Yay! Oh! A Shopkins card. So cool. I think there's surprises in here. Let's come from the bottom. Let's open it. Oh, I think it's a puzzle. That's fine. At least we got a card. Open, open. Oh! Surprise in here! Let's open the flying bag though. I don't know if I want to do it. Oh! It's a high heel. This is a red high heels sandals. Cool. Oh, a chocolate egg. And it's a Minion's kind. Open it. Chocolate. Ooh, it's in a box. I've never seen one with a box inside it. Ooh. So, flyer. Oh, it's playing cards.
Really?
We never had this.
Yeah, that's our first playing cards.
Oh, these are really small. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
But I don't know if there's any characters in there.
Mm-hmm. It's really a playing cards. There's a Joker, a King, Queen of Spades, Jack. Yeah.
Oh,
It's so cute. Look at that.
that is so cute. The next surprise. Another Littlest PetShop. So here we go. Oh, good thing I did not lost that small part. Because there's a small one. Oh, what animal is this? And this is a kangaroo! As you take it out of the box, you see a baby in the pouch. It's a very small head. Ooh, it's another gumball machine. orange one. The gumballs kind of look like red, but it's actually orange. Yay! Finally. So, scissors. Coming to the rescue. There we go. I'm not mentioning this too. I think they're all the like sling filleters. Nope. Here. Is there anything else? No! There's no more surprises! Here are our surprises! From our Play-Doh storage can. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more